In this video, I'm descaling the Keurig K-Mini, so let's get started. To descale my Keurig K-Mini, I'm using the Keurig descaling solution. I'm going to pour 1/3 of the solution into my measuring cup. 1/3 equals about 4.6 ounces. You can just do slightly less than 5 ounces. Add this to the water reservoir and then add fresh water, filling it up to the 10-ounce mark. With the machine plugged in, open and close the lid, make sure there is no pod inserted, and then press the K brewing button. First it will drain the water into the machine, which will take about 20 seconds, and then while it's in the machine it will take about 60 to 70 seconds to heat the water before it starts to dispense the solution, which will take about 35 seconds for this amount. Once that's done, you can throw the water out and then measure again 1/3 of the solution. Add this to the water reservoir. Add fresh water up to the 10-ounce mark again. Open and close the lid. Press the K button again. It will drain the water into the machine. Now this time we're going to do something different. As soon as the solution starts to dispense, you're going to press the power button to turn the machine off and let the solution sit inside the machine and let it do its cleansing process. You let it sit for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you're going to press and hold the K button until all the solution has dispensed. And then once that's all done, throw the solution away. And then I'm going to refill the water reservoir to the maximum line, making sure to thoroughly wash my jug first to get rid of any solution residue. Open and close the lid. Press the K button, throw the water out, repeat the process 2 more times. So in total I've done this at least 3 times, refilling the water reservoir to the maximum line with fresh water only. Open and close the lid and press the K button. And then after your fresh water cycles, just check the needle area that there's no coffee grounds stuck in there as well. Alright guys, I hope you found the video useful. Don't forget to leave a like, leave a comment, and I hope to catch you in my next video.